My name is Dinesh. I am studying 8th 18 Ratnam English Medium High School. Today my TPT topic is Antarctica. Firstly, what is about Antarctica? Antarctica is the windiest and coldest continent on the earth. It is technically a desert because there are rains are rare. It holds about 70% of the fresh water, and it is the fifth largest continent present on the earth, and no permanent residents. Everyone come here for research purpose or tourism only. No one can live there for permanent. Formation. About 2000 million years ago, Antarctica was not a part of, it is a part of a supercontinent called Gondwana, which includes South Africa, America and India. The big breakup. Over 200 million years ago, as tectonic plates move, Antarctica was broke and it's moved to South Pole, which leads to the formation of ice. Discovery. Ancient Greeks believed that if there is a mass land exists on North Pole and there is a south mass also exists on South Pole to balance the Earth balance. The discovery, first sighting. In 1820, a Britisher stated that he saw the Antarctica, traveling on the sea. The race to Antarctica. Roald Amundsen see the Antarctica first in December 14, 1911. The Antarctica Treaty. In 1959, over 12 countries signed the Antarctica Treaty because the Antarctica is not owned to every country. Rules. Antarctica Treaty rules. No country owns Antarctica, and Antarctica used for only military purpose, not used for military purpose. It is just used for research for that purpose. No mining and extraction are there. There is allowed only for science. You can see the pictures of Antarctica Treaty Summit. Research in Antarctica. Antarctica is only used for research. Scientists find sponges, mosses, some algae, bacteria also there. It is only used for research purpose. Antarctica, there is no pollution, so it is easy to see stars in the clear sky, and it is used for space research also. Indian research centers. For India, there are 3 research centers are there in Antarctica. There are Dakshin Gangotri, Maitri and Bharati. First, Dakshin Gangotri. In 1983, Dakshin Gangotri was built on a big ice shelf. Later, it sank on that. Today, Dakshin Gangotri was used for just supply base or other. Next, Maitri. In 1899, India built a second research center in Antarctica for advance. It is built on Seychelles Oasis and it now using for research purpose. Next, Bharati. It is an advanced research center in Antarctica. It was built using over 100 shipping containers. Now next, Maitri 2. It was upcoming research center in Antarctica. Scientists thought it will build by 2029 for extra research purpose and advanced research. Flora and fauna. As we know, Antarctica is very cold, so there is no chance to survive off bushes and trees. Only extramophils like sponges and mosses live there, and there are only 2 flowering plants on the whole continent of Antarctica. Next, fauna, animals. Penguins, Weddell and leopard penguins are live there, and whales come to here to migrate, eating shrimp-like creatures. Recent discoveries, hidden volcanoes. Recently, scientists discovered over 207 volcanoes buried under the Antarctica ice. It The heat generated by these volcanoes are slowly melting the ice of Antarctica and causes the increasing of sea levels and moving of ice. Oldest ice. In Allen Hills, scientists discovered oldest ice ever recorded, and it includes the ancient atmospheric structure. Lakes under snow. A Swedish team discovered lakes under snow, which is extreme to survive there in complete darkness. Unexpected life. Scientists drilling about hundreds of meters through ice, and they found small sponges and molasses-like structures. As in complete darkness, there is no chance to live. AI mapping. Today, scientists using advanced AI and satellites to see how to have, and this will help for how ice mass moving and increasing sea levels. Antarctica and aperture. Antarctica acts as a air conditioner. It reflects the white rays coming from direct sunlight, and it remains Earth cool. But global warming slowly melting the ice, and which is leads to the increasing of global sea levels. It will affect the coastal areas, regional villages like some cities, New York, example. Scientists are telling that it will soon sink in water. Emperor penguins are risk at this. Most of creatures in Antarctica depends on the sea lice like that. Shrimp-like creature increase in water and temperature. It will affect the shrimp-like creature which was eaten by, and it will destroy the entire food chain. Penguins and remaining wild whales depending on this shrimp-like structure. Next, what can we do? By reducing pollution, we can remain the Antarctica cool and stop the causing of pollution. What we can do by reducing pollution? Planting more trees, using electrical vehicles, using environment friendly vehicles, use alternate sources like solar panels. As we use public vehicles, we can reduce the carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. Planting more trees, it will filter the carbon dioxide level in atmosphere. Thank you.